Hi guys, my name is Savannah and I'm here with the Youth Circle, and today we're going to be talking about stereotypes.
I'm Clarissa.
I'm Edson.
I'm Starly.
My name's Ethan.
What are stereotypes?
What do you guys think?
I think stereotypes are something that people assume who you are and what your ethnicity is.
I believe stereotypes are false information about your race and culture.
And Ashley?
I agree with her.
Yeah. Like say for example, all Asians have bunny teeth, those small
Funny.
stretched
Bro,
eyes.
Asians don't have funny teeth, bro. They make fun of our eyes.
Yeah, I wouldn't say
No, it's
the
true
eyes
because
is-
in the poster they make Asians have big bunny teeth.
Actually?
You know that?
I think they make them like with slanted eyes.
With
Yeah,
slanted
I
eyes and big bunny
Yeah, I've never heard of bunny teeth,
the
guys.
ponytail and the bald head.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bald
I
head.
see that one.
Yo, I messed up. Why you guys?
Oh my god, that's so gross.
I've never heard of the bunny teeth before. But yeah, I think that Asians are stereotyped for being smart the most though. Because low key, when I'm in my class, bro, no, especially math class, everybody asks me like, do you know how to do this problem? Like, no, no, I don't. I'm just as confused as you guys, you know?
Yeah. Now that we talked like a lot about stereotypes now, I want to ask all of us, to put aside the stereotypes, who do you identify as? I'll go first. I identify as someone who's shy. I don't really talk a lot like this to the public, of course, but close to my friends and family, I'm really loud. I'm talkative, I'm weird, I'm happy, and I'm loud. I could get really loud. I like to sing, I dance. So, who are you, Ethan?
Like I said, I'm Ethan Yang. I like to play basketball. I like doing stuff outdoors. I think that hard work eventually pays off, and if you put the time and dedication to it, it will work out.
My name is Savannah, and I'm actually a very loud person. And I also like watching anime, and I also draw. I'm thinking about playing sports, maybe either tennis or volleyball. But yeah.
So I'm Clarissa. I'm really shy and independent, introverted, but when you get to know me, I'm really loud, a bit intense, and talkative, a bit weird. I like to draw, sing, and there are other stuff I want to do, but right now I'm too busy to do them.
Hi, my name is Edsley. I can be a really shy person and a quiet person, but when you actually get to meet me, I can be a really, really loud person, and I'll just say random stuff. And I love hanging out with my friends, especially two of my best friends. I really love music. I listen to music every single day. I can wake up at 6 in the morning and I go back to sleep at 8. I'll listen to music all day. I love coloring. I also love dancing a lot. That's one of my favorite things also.
See, without the stereotypes, we actually got to know each other better now. So we have so much in common. I like to dance too. I watched basketball before with the next LeBron James.
Okay. Yeah. When you get to know somebody, it definitely opens a new perspective. You don't really see that wall. You really see the window. You really see what's inside of somebody and everybody's unique personality.
Hello, my name is Aaron, and me and my parents were here for the Youth Voice and talking about trauma.
Hi, my name is Maggie.
Hi, my name is Shalwa.
Hi, my name is Natalie.
Hello, my name is Kaylin.
What do you guys think trauma is, and how does it affect people?
Trauma is something that people carries on, even your parents, even through generations. One time, me and my uncle, we were going outside and just having fun, and my sister, she went to the street, and a car went almost hit her, and ever since after that, she felt trauma about it. And sometimes when we go on the street and she would say, hey, come on, I'm scared to go to the street. You see, like that's my idea of trauma.
I think trauma is like an event in your life that kind of just happens and you can't really do anything about it. And how I think it affects people a lot depending on how bad it is. If it's like something like very serious, then it could cause a lot of issues, mental issues, physical, and much more. It could become very extreme to the point where the person is like has tried to like off themselves.
I think trauma is something that occurred to someone, and it basically that trauma or that thing that happened to them stays with them, and even if they try to heal from it, they will still have thoughts about it, and even so they'll dream about it.
I feel like trauma is something that people like, you know, like it makes your heart heavy and you carry it around with you. But I feel like it makes like a lot of people more stronger. You know, like it's unfortunate, but then it does like create the person to be like a very like strong-minded person. What are some struggles of like trauma, like generational trauma or like so forth, like that you guys seen of or heard of? I feel like trauma like affects such a big part of your life because it changes so many things about you, you know, like with one little thing, like one little situation can change your whole life, your whole perspective.
Do you guys think that it was hard for our parents and grandparents to move on from the trauma they suffered?
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. I say definitely because I came from that. My mom and dad will always say something like, "Oh, like I did that, and like you need to do this too." But like at the end of the day, it's not my fault that you got that. I don't want to say like that, but there's nothing you can do about it.
Going on back to the war too, I feel like so many families were so affected, you know, because you know, like it's like imagine that like that mindset, right? Like knowing that you have to leave your home where you're like so comfortable with to cross over like somewhere else because you know like your home is no longer safe for you to stay in, and then you come here and you know it's like you barely speak the language, you know like you're trying to provide for your family and you're just overall struggling.
But yeah, I realized that we didn't even talk about hate crimes.